To generate a document with Salesforce, you'll need the following requirements for success. To create a connected apps can be created in Salesforce Setup, App Manager, and then Create New App. Field level details for creating this app can be found in the Composer API product documentation. By creating this connected app, you'll be able to generate necessary credentials for authentication. After retrieving the API keys from Salesforce, you'll need to create the API to API connection in the Conga Advantage Platform. Same as before, field level details for creating this connection are available in Composer API product documentation. Also needed here is to gather the client ID and secret associated to the Conga Advantage Platform. Credentials for both the Salesforce environment and the Conga Advantage Platform will be necessary. Lastly, correct endpoints for each API call according to your region, also available in Composer API product documentation. In Postman, you'll need to set up 3 post calls, at least 1 GET call. 2 post calls authenticate to each environment, and a post call to generate a PDF from Salesforce, and a GET call for status. The Conga Access token will require the Conga Advantage Platform ID and secret to generate the token. The Salesforce Access token will require the Salesforce Environment Consumer Key and secret, and test both until successful authentication. Once successful, move to the post-generate PDF from Salesforce Data. This will use a bearer token, leveraging the Platform Access token. In the body of our request, you will need the following: a session ID or Salesforce Access token, a template ID, a query ID if using, master ID, and the instance URL from Salesforce, as well as the org ID. Behaviors for your solution include your output file name, default PDF setting to true, and saving to Salesforce files. Here we can check the response after sending. We've generated a correlation ID that will be used in the merge status GET call, and the status was set as accepted. Now check for the merge status. Our endpoint will use a status URL as well as a correlation URL. This call will use a bearer token referencing the Conga Advantage Platform token, and select send. Here at the bottom, we have that our message is completed. And note, you can create 2 additional GET calls that render a URL for downloading or to download the file locally. Now let's check for our newly generated file. We can see in the files of the account that we were testing for that our document has rendered correctly using merge tags directly from Salesforce, both in the account name as well as the username. In part 2 of this training, learn how to call Conga Composer from Apex using the Conga Advantage Platform.
All roads lead to the Conga customer community. Connect with peers, access exclusive resources, and stay ahead with the latest insights. Click the link in the video description to log in now and start exploring.